today I'm going to show you how you're going to make a triangle pocket. Actually, it's the same way as anything else. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go further on the back on this one. So I'm just going to move this around so you will see what I'm going to do. So I like to make 2 triangle pockets or 1, that's totally up to you. So what we need is, well, if you want to make 2, pretty easy. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to grab, oh, this will do. Alright, first of all, what I'm going to do, first I like to make a flippity flop for the bottom. So that is the first thing that I'm going to do. Just make a flippity flop for the bottom. Okay. Fold it. Alright. Now I'm going to decide how high this is going to be. So I'm going to make a mark all the way at the top. If you want to make a triangle fully at the top, of course. If you want to make it lower, then you can make it lower, of course. Totally up to you. Now we do need a flippity flop on the side. So first I'm going to do one side. So still it's actually pretty much the same as we do a normal pocket. Okay, and now we have this. So you see now what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a full pocket. So I'm going to leave right here. I'm going to put my hinge on and then I'm going to make a mark on this side. I do like to make it a tiny little bit smaller than the bottom. Then I'm going to make another fold line. And then the rest we can cut it shorter. And then again, we just cut triangle off and fold it over. Alright. Now there is nothing difficult than that. Next what we're going to do is I'm going to grab a ruler and see what the middle is. For this one, here is my middle. Okay, and now I can just cut down from here to here and here to here, and then you have it. It's absolutely so easy to do. So I have my mark at the middle. So I'm just gonna put my mark on here and then the corner right here. I'm just gonna move as long as I want till I have the mark at the bottom and the corner right there. Then I'm just gonna lay this and cut it off. That's one. And I'm gonna do precise the other way. And then I have my 2 triangle pockets. I can't make it any easier than that. Is that difficult? Nope, it's not. It's pretty simple. See? Pocket here and a nice pocket right here. Now if you don't want to make this too high, you also still can cut a little off if you like. Actually, I do like that. Well, it's not precisely a triangle then anymore, but I like it. So I'm gonna cut 1 inch off. Same thing with this one. So I have a nice same pocket. So you don't have to do this, of course, but if you like. Alright, and then you just glue it on. Sometimes we do need to punch back a hole in the glue. put this on one side. And with this method you can do any pockets, of course. Any size, any shape, anything. Anything you like. Here we go. Make sure the glue is nice attached everywhere. And there you go. And now you can attach, you put your nice tag in here, completely fully, or one at this side and one at the other side, totally up to you. But of course we have those hinges at the bottom. As you can see right now already it bumps a little, see that? That's the hinge. That's the thing why I don't like having a hinge at the bottom, because it sticks. But if we do design paper, you move it, not smooth it, you move it over that hinge, and then you got nothing interfere or anything. So that's a nice thing to do. So next I am gonna decorate this a little bit. So I'm gonna show you how to decorate a shaped pocket. Pretty easy. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how I do decorate the middle. I hope this fits in, otherwise I do need, and it's just for you to, so that you see it better. Of course this does not fit. Alright, where's my planning? I'll just cut this a little shorter, so you will see better what I do. Alright. Yeah, now you do see it much better. Okay. Now I'm gonna start with my left pocket. I'm gonna use this piece of paper. So what I do is I'm just gonna place it on here with that little black edge. So I do see here where that edge is. So I'm gonna make a mark. And then I see at the bottom also where the end is. I'm gonna make my mark right here. Now I do know that this actually goes all the way up. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna make also sure that this goes first all the way up. So that's my first cut. That, where is it? Right there and here. Okay. It's not that easy to be seen on this paper, but having a little patience will do. Alright, and now I also have my mark, which I earlier put on. Yeah, oh, my eyes are just blinking. And then I cut that part. Now let's see if I did it correctly. Yep, there we go. And just got to smooch the edges and put it on. Alright. Now what you also can do, let me first put this nicely on it. What you also can do, put this on and do first the complete way. So this way and that way. Alright, so it's just an option. I'm gonna show you where is my mark, right there and here. Here we go. one step. And then if you go and place this down, then you also can just put a mark here. So yeah, it's just, do you like to make the marks right away, or do you like to do it later? Totally up to you. It's the same thing, of course. And then here we go. Here we go. Now I want to try to search a nice background paper, because I definitely don't want to use, especially for these papers, the same design paper, because there's so much black in it. So maybe I'm going to search for my background papers, maybe some dots or stripes that has a nice color fitting. So yep, and then I'm gonna do the backgrounds. But this is done, so I hope you like it. So this is my page. So if I put this down, I can flip it over. So you have a pocket here and a nice pocket there. So yeah, so let's see what kind of background paper that fits with this. Definitely. Maybe I do have something in my stash down on my computer already. Who knows? You never know with me. Alright, so stay tuned. Oh, maybe you even can put a nice thing on the background. Maybe. Who knows? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was convenient for you to see how you can make a nice shape pocket. See you next time. Bye bye.